Hello, all. Let's discuss about function module for multi-level bomb explosion. Standard Material BOM. Business case. There may be a requirement to download multiple bombs in a single run, one-shot execution, instead of handling them individually. Function module used CS underscore BOM underscore EXPL underscore MAT underscore V2. Works fine for single header multi-level bomb explosion. Key input fields AUMNG equal to 0.000, CAP ID equal to PP01, CUOBJ equal to 0, 18 character field, DAT UV equal to current date. Ensure the correct date format is used. EMENG equal to 1.000. MKTLS equal to X, material description to pick up. MEHRS equal to X, multi-level explosion. Leave blank for single level. MTNRV equal to header material. STPST equal to 0. WERKS equal to plant. Additional flags. MDMPS equal to X. Limited multi-level. Ensures phantom assemblies are exploded at least. MKTLS equal to X. Ensures material description is retrieved. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell button for more videos. For any queries, please contact radhakrishna sap12@gmail.com. Thank you.